Hello everyone, welcome to the new video. In this video, I'll tell you how you can sign up for stock tweets and what is stock tweets, how you can actually use it properly and for your daily needs, for stock market needs. So I'll just click on the link. So as soon as you click on this link, they'll ask you to open in Play Store. So actually, it will open in Play Store directly. So I had installed this earlier, so it is giving me the option again. So just click on install. As soon as you click on install, it will start the app will start installing. So the app name is stock tweets, stock market chat. So it is basically a community for stock market enthusiasts where they can interact with each other. They can predict the prices of the stock, they can chat with each other, like you can chat with other traders, so you get all the info in the same place. They are also providing a free newsletter via which you can actually get the daily news of the markets, right? So just click on open. As soon as you open, after that it will show you tap into the pulse of market, get started, or if you have an account signed in. So as you don't have an account, you will click on get started. As soon as you click, you get an option of filling your full name, email address, username and password, right? So just fill all this detail and then we need to click on sign up, and then I'll show you the next procedure. So I have entered all my details here. After that, I just need to click on sign up. So I am clicking on sign up here. As soon as I click on sign up, it is done. They are asking me to save my password. I can save it. And also, as it is done, now you need to go to your email and then you need to verify your account and then you are done. So I'll just go to my email quickly and I'll show you the next part to you. So you get a mail on your email like this: to get started, verify your email. So as soon as you click on verify your email, you can either open it from your Chrome or your StockTweets application. So you can open from anywhere. As soon as you click on this, after that your email will be verified and your account will be verified as well, right? So this is the procedure for completing the email. Now I'll just quickly go to the StockTweets application and will show how basically it works. So StockTweets application, it is like you can see like the market trends, whatever is going on. You can see the rankings here. You can see the most active shares or like cryptos, such as it is basically a platform which provides a community for stock market as well as crypto. So you can interact with stock market enthusiasts as well as crypto enthusiasts. So that's a plus point. You can see here Dogcoin is count is 4304. The price percentage change is this much. Is it going up, is it going down? The watchers, which are the watchers, these are the watchers. Like it is basically total mix for Nasdaq, all the cryptocurrencies as well as the Indian Stock Exchange, NSE and BSE. So all the stocks and cryptos listed on these platforms can be found here. You have other options, such as if you know that the market will be bearish or the market will be bullish, and you can share your idea like here, like what you want to write, and then you can kind of tweet it here. So it is a kind of a, you can say like a stocks tweet. That's the name actually, stock tweets. So now this is the portfolio introduction part, integration part, where you can integrate your portfolio. So this option is not available. You can join the waitlist, right? And now again, this is the another part, the rooms part. You can start your own rooms. You can focus on individual stock, or maybe you can focus on topic. Let's say here, for example, they are saying like if you want to focus on individual stock, let's say I want to focus on TCS, I'll make a group around that. If I want to focus on a particular topic like future of cryptocurrency in India, or maybe future of like is equity fund good, or is other kind of funds good, or debt fund good, like kind of that, then I'll make the top like a topic based chat rooms, right? So these are the like rooms that you can create, and you can also be a part of other rooms, right? So see, there is a room known as a marijuana, chart setups, trend charting, market memes. You can subscribe to this, right? So there are, you can see there are 29,000 people who are there. This is the Wirehouse, the charting school, the best short plays. You can subscribe to these groups as well. So this will give you a better idea and you can interact with people and get much and much knowledge. So these are the premium groups. So if you want to become a part of this, you need to pay something. So that's not of our use. And if you want, you can be a part of that as well. And now this is the like watch list. You can make your watch. This is the watch list. This is the suggested one, like that people are tweeting about on the platform, right? So you can see that like what people are tweeting here, right? You can see it here. and the trending stocks you can like you can also post like this, right? If you want, like the market will be bearish, and this is the like which stock or which stock you want to talk. Let's say I want to talk about Reliance, so I'll write dollar Reliance, then these are the targets that I want, these are the targets that it can achieve. Kind of you can also write on your own tweets. And now coming to charts, these are the charts like that you can see here, right? So this is all about the application. You can download the application and get benefited from this. Thanks for watching this video, and do subscribe to the channel before leaving.